Good morning. Welcome back to the History Lab here with Mr. Uhrig. Today we're going to talk a little bit about early Europe, Africa, and Asia. So if you were in my class last year here, we did get to talk about some of these things quite a bit, although Europe we did have to cut short thanks to being let out and going remote for Corona. But Africa and Asia we did talk about a decent amount. So this should hold as a review here for you today. Going to be working on a handout and on Savas, our online textbook. So let's go ahead and get started here. Here's our objectives for the day. I can describe the Americas before European settlers by completing the in-class assignments, and I can understand key vocabulary terms for this chapter. So, pretty self-explanatory lesson here today. We'll run through it. Directions. Read the section, Early Europe, Africa, and Asia. Use Savas, that's our online textbook, to complete your vocabulary handout for the day. So here's that's not what your handout looks like. One second here. Here's what your online handout looks like. Again, if it comes up kind of small, you can use this magnifying glass here to change it to 100, and then it gives you this view right here. So we're looking at some vocabulary today and understanding those vocabulary words. Each orange box you should be able to click and type in. Again, there's I think 3 or 4 pages here. Follow along with the directions. Anytime you just see a word here, a number with a word after it, like Renaissance, feudalism, manner, here we're just looking for the definition. So you're just going to use Savas and define those terms. When you click on Savas from Google Classroom, you might get a page that looks like this. So we're in topic 1. Let that load here. And we're early Europe, Africa, and Asia. Okay, so if we go up here to e-text, this is our textbook. This is what it would look like. The cover of it here if we had it in person. Open a new window. Wait for it to load. Here we go. Now, if you come up here to menu, table of contents, let's get to the right page. Again, early Europe, Africa, and Asia, number 2. It'll take you right there. Let's X out of that to get a bigger window here. So, here's our first page. Here we go. Be sure to read through this. All right, and I want to show you this trick here. If you notice, feudalism is one of our terms that we need to define, right? So if you find this highlighted in blue here, and then click the word, there's the definition. Very simple. Okay, so for the most part, these should go in order. I believe Renaissance, though, the very first one is not in order. So you just click use next and back to flip through the pages. Let me know if you have any questions. Use that Savas to complete this. 4 pages. Some spaces in between there. So get this done. Do it at the end of the bell or at the end of the day. You should have already been able to log into Savas as of this past Tuesday. So if you have any questions, email me, shoot me a message. I'm here for you. Good night and good luck.